Ladies and gents, welcome back. Oh, another day. Still sick, but at least it's nice out. It's not very warm, but it's nice. It's not raining, so we'll take that. Oh, I think we should finish up disassembling the CBR600 today, so we can get going on that 636. Hopefully before I go to Minnesota. We'll see. I got this awesome setup going on right now to drain the gas. Can't waste that stuff out of the gas tank of the CBR. We're gonna drop the oil out of it and finish taking it apart. I want to get the engine and frame. I might leave those together actually and put it on a rolly thing, but we'll take everything else off, get the front end off, the clip-ons, all the wiring, so we can get that listed. Got a bunch of stuff listed on eBay already. I was working on that last night and this morning. So let's knock this thing out so we can move on to more important and more profitable projects. All right, guys, let's get this thing taken apart. And I don't know if I've mentioned in the last 5 minutes about how much I love this impact, but yeah, just in case you guys forgot, freaking love this impact. It's making my life so much easier, I tell you. Oh, wrong size. I'm still a goof. Like, that shit's still gonna happen. Still gonna make goof moves, because that's the wrong size too. My goodness. What do we got going on here? We got the standards and the metrics mixed in or something? It doesn't want to be an 11, but it's not a 12. Oh my goodness. Two brothers. Must have used some standards in there, I'm guessing. Somebody did. That's what happens when you get to work on junk, eh? You never know what these people are going to have on here. Oh, nice little Ducati Multistrada just rolled by. I don't think anything's going to fit this, so let's just hammer it off, okay? Just hammer it. Yeah, boom. Got her with the old 7/16. Why not? Why freaking not, huh? Got the nose running. Just loving it.
Stuck on here. Just hammer on there big time. Alright. Busting out the big guns on this. Sick of messing around. Too sick for that. Well, ain't gonna work either. Darn it. There we go. Oops.
Phew. She's off. 5-star manufacturing, Illinois.
Careful. Alright. Got a strangler.
Bingo. Well, look who's here. Remember that awesome specialty tool we made a couple videos back for the 3-wheeler? Boom! We're going to be using it again. How awesome is that? Our best friend, the torch. Get this thing a little bit warm, huh? Got it. Trying to get the wiring harness unhooked here, and then a couple more things in the engine, or the rest. The engine and the frame can stay, but the rest can be unbolted. Everything is tight on this one. All right, guys, making progress, but we're going to have to get real creative here because I don't have an Allen that big. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in here like that, and then I'm going to take my welder, little ticky-tacky around there, and hopefully we can just back it right out. Doesn't need to come out that far. All right, guys, it is cold and it is getting late, so let's see what we got done today. You can even see my breath. Maybe. I don't know if it'll show up on camera. But yeah, major progress today. I was hoping to get the front end off today as well, but that didn't happen. That's okay. But yeah, we're almost there. We almost have it fully taken apart, and at least I have a few more parts that I can throw on eBay either tonight or tomorrow morning. But we're getting there. Got to get this front end taken apart. Seems like these forks sell pretty decent, so that'll be good. Swing arm gave us a little bit of a hassle, but nothing you can't handle when you have a welder, right? You can make any tool you need. But yeah, it was a decent day for being sick and cold. You know, fought through it, and the cold air really helps me breathe, so that's always good. As always, thanks for tuning in. I'm going to go hammer down some NyQuil and sit by the fire, but we'll see you guys tomorrow on the next one.